grab pack in. So you need a bag.
Yo, Red, I'll be 1 second. I'm coming back. But don't kill me.
You need
Red, I'm coming back and I won't kill you. Just don't kill me, because I won't kill you. I have no weapon.
But make sure your glow stick does not get jammed in an area like that. There we go. Stick it on. You can move it wherever you want, really, like there, which I would recommend. The next piece, you need a few pieces. But the bag is the primary source, really.
I need to get this thing what killed me. Yeah, I'm coming back. Hang on. Coming back.
Over there.
Who has a free product? That's why. Who has a free product?
Next.
Guys, what does hot chocolate do?
They're not too expensive, so you could probably afford it if you can.
Dude, you're missing.
Want to hook truck again? Next up, get you goop. We're gonna put this up now. Goop. Goop there.
Yeah, no.
Goop again. Up there. I'll send them.
Yo, the mountain's for a wall. No, stage 5. Everyone, go to stage 5 for a roar.
And then you probably just about have it.
Yo, everyone, go to stage 5 for a roar.
But then you get faced with this problem.
Boom!
It's a bit too low. So I think we can.
Everyone, go to stage.
Yo, don't take that, please. I'm trying. Please, bro.
Everybody, go to stage 5 for a roar.
Bro, can I just be the player?
We'll hurry. We're all going
This is
to
a
build.
build. Can I just please build?
I'm going down now.
Well, if you want to do the war, take fast, because I'm not doing this. Gee, I just want to build. Okay, now just do. Make me.
Yo, everyone go to stage 5 for a war. It's starting in 3, 2, 1, go! Yo, why are you coming?
Just good. I already have this. Okay, this is that video. OG Boxy bro. What is that name?
Oh, fine, I'll go back to Tazo.
Oh, I knew it was this! Let's go! Fuck, everything.
So we just need one more goop.
Dude, I hope to. You should be. Oh, there's a war in stage 5. They're saying there's a war in stage 5. That's too bad.
Now it's time to save it.
That's too bad.
Yo, come on, I'll get my weapon and then I'll come with you.
Oh, geez. Just want to. If you could add an umbrella into that'd be sick.
Somebody's angry.